Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you 3 amazing editing tricks in CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut, and the first tip I'm going to show you is how to use keyframe to animate our object in CapCut. First of all, I'm going to open the project I have just created, and I'm going to use keyframe feature to animate this emoji. Wait guys, I'm going to tap on the emoji, and this is the keyframe feature we can use to animate our emoji. For example, I'm going to create bounce effect for my emoji. So I'm going to tap on the keyframe. Before we tap on the keyframe, we have to place the separator to the part of the emoji. For the first position or the start position, I'm just going to place it right here. Okay. And then for the second position, I'm going to move the emoji down. And the third position, I'm going to move it up to create a bounce effect. And the last position, I'm going to move it down. Okay, and now it's done guys, and I'm going to play the video. Okay, and the bounce effect has been created, and you can also use the keyframe feature to create zoom in or zoom out effect. And I'm going to create zoom in effect. I'm going to click on the keyframe, and then I'm going to move this separator right here, and then I'm just going to zoom in my video. Okay, and I'm going to play the video to show you the result. Okay. This keyframe feature is really amazing to elevate your editing guys. And the second trick I'm going to show you is the masking feature. I'm going to go back and select my second project. I'm going to open it, and I'm going to use mask to replace the sky in my video. I'm going to tap on overlay. Okay, and then I'm just going to add cinematic sky to my project. I'm going to choose this video to replace the sky in my video and click on add. Okay, and I'm just going to adjust it. Wait, I'm going to zoom in to fit the screen, and after that I'm going to go to the mask option. We can scroll all the way to the right until we find the mask, and then select horizontal mask, this one, and we can adjust the position of this sky. And you can drag this little arrow right here. You can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay, and to make it more natural, I'm going to blend my video. I'm going to go to the splice menu right here, and then I'm going to choose the best blend mode for my video. I think I'm gonna go with this one guys. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay, and then the last trick I'm going to show you is how to clone object in CapCut. I'm going to open this project, and first thing first, I'm going to duplicate this clip. I'm going to duplicate it and then make it as an overlay. Okay, and I'm going to remove the background of my video. We can tap on remove background, select custom removal, and then select auto remove. Okay, and now the background has been removed, and I'm going to place it right here. Okay, and this is the result. Alright guys, and that's all of the 3 amazing editing tricks in CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.